Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID verification code problem on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your verification code is not received from Apple ID, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So basically it's nothing else, it's just a network issue. You can easily fix that with fixing your networks. Now to that you have to open your settings here, or you can try a simple step to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go for general settings here. You have to double check your VPN connection that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to delete or disconnect with the VPN and then go for date and time, and you have to enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Then go back. You have a simple step. You have to tap on this transfer reset iPhone, but very first you have to check for software updates. If you find any pending software updates, you have to try to update the software. Then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings, so it will not delete your data. So you can easily try this, and after that, your issue will be fixed, and you will get or receive the verification code from Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.